Welcome student in 9th session from your textbook chapter number 6 life processes. Today we will continue this chapter. In last session we studied about the human circulatory system, heartbeat and pulse, blood pressure. So today we are going to discuss about the lymphatic system and excretion system. So this is lymphatic system, the two liquid transport in the human body, that blood and lymph. So blood is related to that blood circulatory system and lymph is related to lymphatic system. So lymphatic system, a system of tiny tubes called that lymph vessels and lymph nodes in human body which transport the liquid called that lymph from the body tissue to the blood circulatory system is called the lymphatic system. Clear? The lymphatic system consists of the following parts. Okay, lymph capillaries, large lymph vessels, lymph nodes and lymph. Lymph capillaries are tiny tubes which are present in the whole body just like blood capillaries. Okay, so lymph capillaries however differ from the blood capillaries in two ways. Lymph capillaries are close-ended. The end of lymph capillaries in the tissues of the body is closed. Okay, so and the pores in the walls of the lymph capillaries are bigger in size than that of the blood capillaries. Since the end of that lymph capillaries in the body tissue are closed, so the tissue fluid can only seep into the walls of the lymph capillaries present in the body tissue. Moreover, since the pores in the walls of the lymph capillaries are somewhat bigger, so even large protein molecules present in the tissue fluid can enter into the lymph capillaries, okay, which could not pass into the blood capillaries. So प्रोटीन जो मॉलिक्यूल्स रहते हैं वो ब्लड में पास नहीं हो पाते, वो lymph capillaries में पास आउट हो जाते. ओके, तो द lymph capillaries join to form larger lymph. अब जो lymph capillaries है वो किससे ज्वाइन हो जाती है? larger lymph vessels से. The lymph vessels है और the lymph nodes. ओके, तो lymph vessels में lymph nodes रहते हैं. ओके, और lymph gland at intervals. So the lymph nodes, certain special type of cells called that lymphocytes. Lymph nodes containing lymphocyte are involved in the cleaning of lymph and protecting the body from the disease. So lymphatic system क्या करता है? It protect the body from disease through the help of that lymphocyte. Okay, जो lymph vessels है वो किससे connect हो जाते हैं? Lymph vessels are connect to the large veins of blood circulatory system. About the lymph is a light yellow liquid which is somewhat similar in composition of blood plasma. So lymph is not red like blood. So because it does not contain the red blood cells, क्योंकि इसमें red blood cells नहीं होते. So lymph contains large protein molecule. lymph में क्या रहता है? Protein molecules and digested food which come into it form the tissue fluid between the cells. Okay, it also contains germ from the cells and fragments of dead cells. Lymph is another medium of circulation in human body. Okay, but lymph flow in the one direction. lymph only one direction में flow होता है. From the body tissue to the heart means body tissue से heart तक जाता है. Since lymph is derived from the tissue fluid which remain outside the cells of the body, so it is called extracellular fluid. So lymph contains a special type of WBCS means white blood cells called that lymphocyte which help in fighting infection and diseases. Clear this one? So lymph containing large protein molecule, digested fat, germs and fragments of dead cells from the cell tissues. Fluid around the body cells seeps into the lymph capillaries present throughout the blood. From lymph capillaries, the lymph passes into the larger lymph vessels containing the lymph node. The lymph is cleaned by white blood cells called that lymphocyte. So these white blood cells eat the germs and dead cells. White blood cells क्या करती है? Eat the germs and dead cells and also make the antibodies for protecting the body from disease. यही means protecting करती है अपनी body को from the disease. So the clean lymph containing large protein molecule, digested fat and other useful materials is transported by the lymph vessels to the large vein. Okay, so which runs just beneath the collarbone. Okay, so these veins carry the lymph to the heart. In this way, the circulation of lymph from the body tissue to the heart is completed. Clear this one? Now about the function of lymph. lymph or lymphatic system takes part in the nutritive process of the body. For example, it puts into the circulation large protein molecules by carrying them from the tissues into the blood stream, which could not be absorbed by the blood capillary. Means जो प्रोटीन के जो लार्ज मॉलिक्यूल्स है वो ब्लड कैपिलरीज में एब्सॉर्ब नहीं हो पाते, ओके, ड्यू टू देयर larger size, so that protein molecules are enter into the lymph vessels. Clear? So lymph also carry digested fat for the nutritive processes. Clear this one? So lymph or lymphatic system protects the body by killing the germs, drains out the body tissue with the help of lymphocytes contained in the lymph nodes and by making antibodies. Clear this one? So now lymph or lymphatic system helps in removing the waste product like fragments of dead cells, etc. Now next one, excretion. Okay, so all the organism, plant and animals are made up of cells. These cells work all the time for sustaining the life of the organism. Most of the work of the cells is in the form of biochemical reaction which they carry out all the time. Okay, means जितने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जो फंक्शन है सेल्स के वो किसके थ्रू होते हैं, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ दैट बायोकेमिकल रिएक्शन. ओके, so which carry out all the time in the body. So the biochemical reaction taking place in the cells of an organism may produce toxic wastes, poisonous wastes in the body. So the accumulation of toxic wastes in the body harms an organism. अगर ये सब accumulation अगर बॉडी में हो जाएगा टॉक्सिक वेस्ट का, that harm an organism. So for an organism to lead a normal life, so the toxic waste being produced in its body must be removed. अगर उसको अच्छे से मीन्स नॉर्मल लाइफ अगर ऑर्गेनिज्म को सर्वाइव करनी है तो जितना भी टॉक्सिक वेस्ट मटेरियल है उसको बॉडी से रिमूव करना कंटिन्यूअसली जरूरी रहता है. द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिमूवल ऑफ टॉक्सिक वेस्टेज फ्रॉम द बॉडी ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनिज्म इज कॉल्ड द एक्सक्रीशन. क्लियर दिस वन? सो एक्सक्रीशन टेक्स प्लेस इन प्लांट एज वेल एज इन एनिमल ऑल्सो. सो एक्सक्रीशन इन प्लांट्स में एक्सक्रीशन किसका होता है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, ऑक्सीजन एंड वाटर वेपर. द मेन waste product produced by plants are carbon dioxide, oxygen and water vapor. The gaseous wastage of respiration and photosynthesis in plants, carbon dioxide, water vapor and oxygen are removed through the stomata and leaves and lenticles in stem and released to the air. Plants also store some of the waste products in their body parts. For example, some of the waste products collect in the leaves, bark and fruits, okay, of the plant or trees. The plants get rid of these wastes by shedding of leaves, peeling of bark and felling of fruits. So when the dead leaves, bark and dry fruits fall off from the tree, then the waste product contained in them are got rid of. Now excretion in animals. Different animals have different arrangement, okay, or organs for the excretion which depends on the constitution of the animals. For example, in amoeba, another single cell animal, the waste product carbon dioxide is removed by the diffusion through the cell membrane, but nitrogenous waste like ammonia or excess water are removed contractile vacuole. Okay, so nitrogenous or waste or nitrogenous or excess water रिमूव होता है थ्रू द हेल्प ऑफ कॉन्ट्रेक्टाइल वैक्यूल, और जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है वो डिफ्यूजन प्रोसेस और थ्रू द सेल मेम्ब्रेन रिमूव होती है. क्लियर? अर्थवर्म. In earthworm, the tubular structure called that nephridia are the excretory organ. So nephridia क्या है? अर्थवर्म का excretory organ है. In addition to nephridia, the moist skin of earthworm also acts as an excretory organ, but main क्या है? nephridia. Next one, in human beings. In human beings, the microscopic thin tubules form nephron. Okay, form the nephron which function as excretory unit. So nephron क्या है? It is a excretory unit. About 1 million nephrons taken together form the excretory organ. Means 1 million nephron एक साथ मिलके क्या बनाता है? excretory organ of human beings called that kidney. So human beings में main excretory organs क्या है? kidney. Now excretion in humans, all the time, even when we are asleep, our body produces waste substances. The major wastes produced by the human body are carbon dioxide and urea. Okay, so carbon dioxide is produced as a waste by the oxidation of food during the process of respiration. Urea is produced by a waste by the decomposition of unused proteins in the liver. Okay, So our body must get rid of these waste material because their accumulation in the body is poisonous and harms us. Okay, waste removal is called excretion. Clear? Our lungs acts as the excretory organs for removing the waste product carbon dioxide from the body. Our kidney excrete urea. Clear? So excretion in humans, the excretory system of human beings collect the liquid wastage of the body and helps it get rid of them. The excretory system of human beings consists of the following main organs: 2 kidneys, 2 ureters, bladder and urethra. The kidneys are bean-shaped organ towards the back of our body, just above the waist. Okay, it's situated just above the waist to the back side of our body. Every person has 2 kidneys. The blood in our body is constantly passing through our kidneys. The renal artery or kidney artery, ओके आप उसको रीनल आर्टरी भी कह सकते हो, किडनी आर्टरी भी कह सकते हो. रीनल आर्टरी ब्रिंग्स इन द डर्टी ब्लड कंटेनिंग वेस्ट सब्सटेंसेस इनटू द किडनी. तो जो डर्टी ब्लड है उसको किडनी के अंदर लेके आती है कौन? रीनल आर्टरीज. ओके, सो द फंक्शन ऑफ किडनी इज टू रिमूव द पॉइजनस सब्सटेंसेस यूरिया, अदर वेस्ट, सॉल्ट्स एंड एक्सेस वाटर फ्रॉम द ब्लड एंड एक्सक्रीट देम in the form of a yellowish liquid called that urine. Okay, thus kidney clean our body by filtering it to remove unwanted substances present in it. तो किडनी क्या करती है? जो भी अनवांटेड सब्सटेंस रहता है ब्लड के अंदर तो उसको क्या करती है? रिमूव करती है और ब्लड को फिल्टर करती है. ओके, सो द क्लीन ब्लड इज कैरिड अवे फ्रॉम द किडनी बाय द रीनल वेन. जो रीनल वेन है आफ्टर फिल्ट्रेशन ब्लड को कैरी करती है. So the ureters, one from each kidney, opens into the urinary bladder. Ureters are the tubes which carry urine from the kidney to the bladder. जो ureter है वो क्या कैरी करता है? Urine from the kidney to the bladder. Okay, urine is stored in the bladder. और urine किस में store होता है? Bladder में store होता है. The bladder is a bag which store urine till the time we go to the toilet. Okay, so the urethra is a tube. The urine collected in the bladder is passed out from the body through the urethra. Clear this? So look the figure of that kidney, okay, which has been cut open to show the inner structure. Each kidney is made up of a large number of excretory units called that nephron. So nephron क्या है? Excretory units. Okay, the nephron has a cup-shaped bag at its upper end which is called Bowman's capsule. ओके, जो उसके अपर एंड में है, जो आपको कप जैसा शेप दिख रहा है नेफ्रॉन के, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द बोमन्स कैप्सूल. द बोमन कैप्सूल एंड द ट्यूब्यूल टेकन टुगेदर मेक ए नेफ्रॉन. और बोमन कैप्सूल और जो ट्यूब्यूल्स उसकी जो आपको दिख रही है, सो ये दोनों मिलके क्या बनाते हैं? अ नेफ्रॉन. वन एंड ऑफ द ट्यूब्यूल इज कनेक्टेड टू द बोमन कैप्सूल एंड इट्स अदर एंड इज कनेक्टेड टू अ यूरिन कलेक्टिंग डक्ट ऑफ द kidney. Clear this? The Bowman's capsule contains a bundle of blood capillaries which is called glomerulus. Okay, so that glomerulus, what is the function of this glomerulus? So glomerulus is to filter the blood passing through it. जब भी glomerulus से blood pass होता है तो उसको filter करता है. Only the small molecules of the substance present in the blood like glucose, amino acids, salts, urea and water etc. pass through the glomerulus and collect as filtrate in the Bowman's capsule. The large molecules like proteins and blood cells cannot pass out through the glomerulus capillaries and hence remain behind in the blood. The function of tubule of nephron is to allow the selective reabsorption of the useful substances like glucose, amino acid, salt and water into the blood capillaries, okay, which surround it. So but the waste material like urea remains behind in the tubules. It does not get reabsorbed into blood capillaries. फिर उसमें वो फिर से वो reabsorb नहीं होता because it is what waste material. Okay, so now how that human circulatory system is work. So in order to understand the working of the excretory system of humans, we will use a highly magnified diagram of a nephron, okay, shown in that figure. Dirty blood containing waste like urea brought by the renal artery enter the glomerulus. जो आपको फिगर में दिख रहा है जैसे कि ग्लोमेरुलस, ओके, तो इसके अंदर लेके आती है रिनल आर्टरी ब्लड को. तो द ग्लोमेरुलस फिल्टर दिस ब्लड. फिर जो ग्लोमेरुलस है, जो डर्टी ब्लड है, उसको क्या करता है? फिल्टर करता है. ड्यूरिंग फिल्ट्रेशन द सब्सटेंसेस लाइक ग्लूकोज, अमीनो एसिड, सॉल्ट, वाटर एंड यूरिया एक्सेट्रा सो प्रेजेंट इन द ब्लड पास इनटू बोमन्स कैप्सूल. तो ये सब सब्सटेंस में प्रेजेंट रहते हैं दैट पास इनटू बोमन कैप्सूल एंड देन इंटर द ट्यूबुल ऑफ नेफ्रॉन. और फिर ये उसमें नेफ्रॉन की जो ट्यूबुल है उसमें इंटर हो जाते हैं। व्हेन द फिल्ट्रेट कंटेनिंग यूजफुल सब्सटेंसेज एज वेल एज द वेस्ट सब्सटेंसेज पासेस थ्रू द ट्यूबुल, यूजफुल और अनयूजफुल सब्सटेंस कंटेनिंग जो ट्यूबुल रहती है, then the useful substances like all glucose, all amino acid, most salt and most water etc reabsorb तो into the blood through blood capillaries surrounding the tubule। so जो capillaries इन सबको reabsorb कर लेती है। ओके तो ब्लड कैपिलरीज जो है जो सराउंडिंग द ट्यूबुल तो ग्लूकोज, अमीनो एसिड, सॉल्ट, वाटर को reabsorb कर लेती है। Only the waste substances, urea, some unwanted salt and excess water remain behind in the tubule. So, and rest of that waste substances, urea, unwanted salts, excess water, okay, that remain behind in the tubule. The liquid left behind in the tubule of nephron is urine. तो जो liquid जो left बचा हुआ रहता है that is called the urine और वो किस में रहता है tubule of nephron. So the nephron carries this urine into the collecting duct of the kidney फ्रॉम वेयर इट इज कैरीड टू यूरेटर। फिर किडनी से कहाँ जाता है, यूरेटर में जाता है। फ्रॉम द यूरेटर यूरिन पासेस इनटू द यूरिनरी ब्लैडर, फिर यूरेटर से यूरिनरी ब्लैडर में जाता है। यूरिन इज स्टोर इन द ब्लैडर फॉर सम टाइम एंड अल्टीमेटली पास आउट ऑफ द बॉडी थ्रू द यूरेथ्रा। फिर वो कुछ समय स्टोर रहता है ब्लैडर में और अल्टीमेटली पास आउट ऑफ द बॉडी थ्रू यूरेथ्रा और यूरेथ्रा के थ्रू वो पास आउट कर दिया जाता है। Clear this one? So the human urine contains water, some salt and nitrogenous substances, most of which is urea and some uric acid. Clear this one? एक प्रोसीजर रहती है दैट इज यू ऑलरेडी हर्ड दैट डायलिसिस। सो डायलिसिस क्या होता है, द ब्लड ऑफ ए पर्सन हैविंग किडनी फेलर कैन बी क्लीन रेगुलरली बाय यूजिंग ए किडनी मशीन। किडनी का फंक्शन क्या है, क्लीनिंग द ब्लड, ओके, फिल्टर द ब्लड मीन्स जो भी अपनी बॉडी में इम्प्यूरिटीज रहती है और जो वेस्ट सब्सटेंस रहता है वो सब किडनी उसको फिल्टर करती है। तो ये डायलिसिस इसे कहते हैं जो मतलब आर्टिफिशियली अपने ब्लड में जो भी मीन्स इम्प्यूरिटी रहती है जो काम किडनी करती है तो वो किया जाता है। ओके सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द किडनी मशीन और डायलिसिस मशीन। सो द प्रोसीजर यूज्ड फॉर क्लीनिंग द ब्लड ऑफ ए पर्सन बाय सेपरेटिंग द वेस्ट सब्सटेंस। तो इसमें क्या करते हैं डायलिसिस में ब्लड में से वेस्ट सब्सटेंस को सेपरेट किया जाता है। सो दैट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड द डायलिसिस। ओके थैंक यू।